Hey guys, what's happening? How to use AutoMix on Apple Music. So first of all, what is iOS 26 Apple Music AutoMix? iOS 26 introduces AutoMix in Apple Music, a smart feature that automatically blends songs with smooth beat-matched transitions. Unlike the old crossfade, AutoMix analyzes tempo and key to create seamless mixes, just like a DJ. It works best with streamed playlists and keeps your music flowing without pauses or awkward cuts, making your listening experience more continuous and enjoyable. All right. Now, how to use it? So first of all, open update to iOS 26. Go to the settings in general, and then about or software update. Okay. Now, what you're gonna do? Just go ahead and open up the Apple Music. Launch the Apple Music app on your phone, and then play a playlist or station. Okay, and find the AutoMix toggle right here. Okay, and then on the now playing screen, look for AutoMix button or toggle near the playback controls, and it replaces the old crossfade options. Okay, and then turn on the AutoMix, and now you can enjoy the music. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.